Hello Excel enthusiasts! In today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to hide and unhide rows and columns in Excel. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give it a like. Hiding and unhiding rows and columns can really help you organize your spreadsheet, focus on the important data, and streamline your workflow. There are 3 simple methods to do this, through the Home tab, the right-click menu, and keyboard shortcuts. Let's dive in. First up, the Home tab. Select the row numbers or column letters you want to hide or unhide. Then go to the Home tab, select Format, click on Hide and Unhide, and choose either Hide Rows, Hide Columns, or Unhide Rows or Columns. Easy, right? If that feels a bit lengthy, let's check out the right-click menu. Just select the row numbers or column letters you want to hide or unhide, right-click, and then select Hide or Unhide. Super straightforward. Lastly, for those of you who love keyboard shortcuts, I've got you covered. Use Ctrl+9 to hide selected rows, Ctrl+Shift+9 to unhide hidden rows, Ctrl+0 to hide selected columns, and Ctrl+Shift+0 to unhide hidden columns. Quick and efficient. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this channel with your friends. Thanks for watching, and happy excelling!